Many people have heard of the famous waterfalls within Lambir Hills National Park, which is not far from Miri City. However, there is also another waterfall which we think is uncredited for its beauty. It shares the same forest area as the Lambir Hills National Park, and it's called Giam Bakam Waterfall. To come to Giam Bakam Waterfall, you will have to take the Jalan Bakam, which is 25 minutes away from Miri City. There will be a junction to the left hand side leading into Jalan Kampung Bakam right after the bridge. Then head straight until you reach the end of the road. You will soon pass through an oil palm section within the jungle. Make sure to follow the red markings located on the trees and branches. On a side note, there will be muddy trails and lots of river crossings ahead, so be prepared to get your shoes wet. So the trail itself isn't that hard. All you have to do is just follow along the river and mark trees and you will be fine. By the way, the scenery here is quite beautiful. After roughly 1.5 hours of jungle trekking, we finally arrive at the Giam Bakam Waterfall. The waterfall itself looks bigger than I had anticipated it to be. It flows from uphill down into a pond, and the pond is actually quite clean. It is possible to walk on the rock area beside the waterfall, albeit slippery, so be careful if you choose to do so. This is why we keep pushing ourselves to see the world in second perspective. Keep discovering and experiencing something new. If you wish to visit here, remember to be well prepared and always prioritize your safety. The first rule to visit a waterfall is to stay away from it if the weather is very cloudy or raining, as it can cause sudden strong currents. Besides, we managed to collect some rubbish along the way, so please keep Mother Nature clean. If you enjoyed our video, consider subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time.